Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Todoist versus TickTick, two of the most popular productivity apps, so you can figure out which one fits your workflow best. So let's get into it. First up, we have Todoist. This is a clean, minimalist task manager trusted by over 30 million users. It's perfect if you want a simple interface with powerful organization tools like labels, filters, and project hierarchies. It also integrates smoothly with apps like Google Calendar, Slack, and Outlook. The strengths, and it is an intuitive design, cross-platform reliability, and great stability. The downside, the free plan is pretty limited, and a lot of advanced features are locked behind the premium version. Now, let's talk about TickTick. This one mixes task management with tons of built-in tools. You get calendar views, habit tracking, and even a Pomodoro timer. It supports everything you expect from a modern task app: recurring tasks, subtasks, tags, and collaboration. What makes TickTick stand out is the native calendar and even an Eisenhower matrix view for prioritizing your work. However, its interface can feel a bit cluttered, and just like Todoist, some advanced features require a premium upgrade. So, how do they stack up? Todoist wins if you want simplicity, clean UI, and strong third party integrations. TickTick wins if you want built in features and a more customizable all in one productivity suite. But here's the verdict. If you prefer a distraction free experience and a straightforward task manager, Todoist is a great pick. But if you want extras like habit tracking, Pomodoro timers, and calendar tools all in one place, TickTick is likely the better fit for you. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.